Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching my video, my name is Meena Dhesi. So guys, get ready with me today. I'm doing my birthday makeup and complete look. So I already cleaned my face and I done my skin care. So first I'm going to apply color correcting in the under black circle eyes and uneven skin tone. I'm using peach color correcting. I'm using for blending clean finger. You can use brush or beauty sponge. Next, I'm mixing two types of foundation, one pump each, and I'm going to mix properly. Then apply from my finger. For blending today, I'm using foundation brush for quick. Normally, I'm using damp beauty sponge to get flawless result. Next, I'm applying concealer. Apply in the under eyes, forehead and chin. And I'm going to leave concealer few minutes to become tacky. Next, I'm applying cream contour and apply in the cheek, forehead and jawline. So first I'm going to blend out contour. Then going to blend out concealer. Next, I'm doing eyebrow. First, I'm going to comb eyebrow upward using spoolie, and today I'm going to use pomade. Then fill the sparse area and keep my eyebrow natural look. Then I'm going to apply clear eyebrow fixing gel for the long lasting. Same concealer I'm going to apply in my eyelid using same small beauty sponge to blend out. And I'm going to blend out till smooth and evenly applied. Next, I'm applying loose translucent powder. Then I'm going to apply in the cheek, nose, under eyes, T-zone and slightly around the face for the long-lasting makeup. Then dust off all the powders properly. Next, I'm doing eye makeup, simple and stunning. So first I'm going to apply bronzer in the whole eyelid, eye crease and eye bone, and I'm going to backward and forward, taking a small amount of bronzer, then build up. Next, using dark color, then I'm going to apply outer corner of the eyes and eye crease to look more intense and smoky effects. Next, I'm applying champagne shimmer in the inner corner to middle of the eyelid. Look at guys how stunning it's looking. Off the camera, I applied the eye pencil and eyeliner. Then same bronzer I'm going to apply in the cheekbone, forehead and jawline to lock the cream contour. Then apply blush and fake eyelashes. After that, we are gone and small party start with family. This is my final outfit and look. I had so much fun. So guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then, everyone take care. Bye bye.